So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy crude oil here on Wealthsimple. So before you guys get into this, if you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'll just show you guys quickly my referral link right here. If you use this referral link, I get a bit of money, so do you guys upon signing up, and you also get entered into a chance to win in $1 million home, so that's pretty cool there. But to buy or I guess to invest in crude oil, go to the bottom left, press on the search bar, then go to the top and press on search, and type in ticker symbol HUC. Right here, HUC, Crude Oil ETF, go ahead and press on that. Go to the bottom left, select your account, so I'll just do non-registered for this example, and then go to the bottom right and press on buy. Now, if you want to just do a full share, you guys can go ahead and press one share. That's how much it'll trade for. If you want to do fractional shares, press on the reverse. So I guess $10 in this case is about 0.5 shares. Whatever the case may be, do what you got to do. Press on review once you're done. Now review your order. If you like it and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on buy or queue order, and that's how you guys can proceed this way with the transaction. So that's how you guys can invest or buy crude oil here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.